Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, which is just about City. My name is Rishika and it is officially my birthday month, and you already know what that means. I'm on a hunt for cute, modest and comfy outfit that will basically carry me through the whole year, like birthday brunches, trip and the photo dumps included. Today I'm switching it up a little bit. Instead of a regular haul at home, I am taking you with me for a store try-on session. Yes, we are doing a live haul situation right from the trial room. And spoiler alert, I found the prettiest Korean, some of it which are modest, stylish, easy and so aesthetic. I'm really obsessed. Don't worry, I got you. All the links are attached via Myntra app. So if you like anything that you see, you can snag it for yourself too. So let's dive into it right now. I am filming in this setup after so very long. Thanks to Bangalore weather, it is finally coming down and it's cooler, so it's easier to film right here. Guys, it gets really hot here and you can't step inside the glass house. What do you think of this fit, you girl? You can't believe this is under 200 rupees. I'm doing a haul very soon, so stay tuned for that. By the way, let me show you the view. There are birds chirping outside. Look at those two. They're making so much sound. I think they're building a nest. And my little boy is just sitting down. Come here. Okay, don't come at me, but I might be a lot overexcited in today's video because the moment I walked into the store, I kid you not, I went full sparkle spell. Everything on the mannequin's mine. Did I even try them on before picking them? No. If I'm in love at first sight with a fit, she's coming home with me, no questions asked today. Let's get into the first fit. Drum rolls please. This gorgeous denim on denim combo. Oh man. A chic little denim top and a matching Scots. Yes, Scots. You're bringing back the 2010s but make it fashion. The denim is so lightweighted, you girls. Like I could literally wear this under the summer sun and still feel breezy, you know. Also look at the fit. I mean, hello. I wasn't expecting this to become my favorite already, but here we are. I got a size 32 instead of 30 because I wanted that chill, slightly loose waist vibes, and honestly, no regrets. Plus, they're super reasonable. Links are in the description if you're already tempted. Look at this next pic. A tote bag in a gingham print with strawberries on the pockets. Like what the heck? It's giving farmers market meets fashion week and I'm obsessed. I'm literally frolicking around like an excited toddler, and yes, I'm wearing a shorts and a shorts to save time while changing. So don't judge the hustle. To the bag. Isn't she the best, you girl? If you love her too, drop a strawberry emoji in the comments so we can twin in the taste, and thanks. Okay, moving on to the next look. Another dream combo. A divine body hugging top that I knew I would love even before wearing it. It's slightly transparent but has a lining inside, so you're fully covered without losing the sassy appeal, you know. And the Scots again. Yes again. This time in a lighter blue denim. Different design from the first one but equally darling. I'm sold. I picked this one in the size 30 and honestly, doesn't feel too different from the 32. Both fit well depending on the mood you're in. You know, comfy versus snatched. And Scots are just chef kiss for vacation vibe because you can run, jump, spin around and still stay cute and covered. And when it's denim, I think pair it with any old tee and you're good to go. Now onto the sixth item, a boxy little t-shirt that is so Rishika coded. I'd live in these. If you ever spot me chilling at home, 99.9% chances I'm in one of these t-shirts, either from the men's or the women's section. No gender bias here. The print is so adorable, the fabric is soft and it goes so well with the Scots I was wearing. It's giving casual comfy. I just threw this on and good looks energy, you know. Also, there was a loud music playing at the store, so yes, I was dancing, so ignore the chaos. Now brace yourself for the seventh item because it's ow and ouch. This denim boxy shirt is a certified stunner. Look at how comfy she looks. Material lightweight, fit breezy, vibes off the charts. It was 12 PM and still felt cool and fresh in this, so imagine how perfect this is for summer late. It even gives major co-ord set energy. Same for the first two outfits actually. Even though they weren't technically the sets, they look so put together when styled together. That's the whole point of co-ords. No, this is not a co-ords, I'm sorry. Anyway, story time. Back in college, I always saw these matching sets, but never bought the full thing. I would just go to the top and try to match it with a random denim that I have at home. Relatable, right? Because most of us have done this. But now I get it. Matching sets is equal to effortlessness and so much put together. It's like instant style cheat codes, and I'm here for it, you know. Okay, next up. Drum roll for this classic queen herself. A wide, breezy crop shirt. Oh my god. Like, come on. Did you really think that I would do a haul without a white piece? White is my love language, babe. This one is a summer blessing. Full sleeves, crop fit, super airy. Just imagine sipping iced coffee and strolling down the street in this. It's 100% cotton and has this subtle textured pattern that makes it look way more elevated than your usual basics. So comfy, so stylish, and so me. I've linked a bunch of similar options from Myntra too, in case you girls want to twin with me, you know.
Una ventana de ilusión.
Now for the second last pick. This adorable girly top. Girly top paired with casual black cotton denim shorts. Let me tell you, this combo is doing the most while looking chill. The top, super versatile, wear it to the office, college, a brunch date, or just to feel cute at home. And the shorts, of course, the definition of comfy casual. They are lightweight, breathable, and honestly giving that throw on and go energy I live for. Also, both pieces are cotton, so your skin's gonna be so happy too. And the price, you girls, so good, it almost feels illegal. Not me falling in love with every single thing I try on today, but seriously, I can't keep buying stuffs. My wardrobe's already about to burst open, and yet these brands really know how to tempt a girl. Why are they making such cute tops? Oh my god, it's rude at this point. And finally, the grand finale, a stunning body-hugging dress with a sexy little slit. Yes, I know. I'm not showing too much because I haven't waxed my leg, says the girl who's already been spinning around in tiny shots the whole video. But hey, this is a safe space, okay? Now, I wasn't feeling super confident in this one because I'm more of a flared bottom kind of girl. But the dress itself is chef kiss. Gorgeous color, trendy silhouette, lovely material. If you like fitted style, this one's for you. You look like a whole snack, trust me. Okay, that was way too much fun. I feel like I found a bunch of hidden gems, and now I'm one step closer to having my birthday month wardrobe, you guys. If you enjoyed this little dressing haul, let me know which outfit is your favorite in the comment section because I'm too nosy and I want to know. Thank you so much for watching and just being here. You guys seriously make every video of mine so special. Sending all the love and a big virtual cake. Until next time, stay stylish, stay soft, and don't forget to romanticize your wardrobe. Bye girls!